Hello, what's up, everybody? Good morning. Welcome to the show. Anyway, did you see the pictures or the video this morning? It was kind of shock to me to see one video this morning. Alright, this is the video that I saw this morning. Look at that. Look at this. Terrible. If you don't know, that is actually at the Kinabalu Park. It's still collapsing. And this one is another one. I'm not sure who took the video, but if you look at it, it's just that is Kinabalu Park, the headquarters, and if you look at this, the whole parking lot just fell, just slide down.
Look at this. Last night I slept downstairs. I can hear thunder. Not thunder, like serious kind of earthquake going down.
It's,
Car park is gone now.
it's a thunder.
Look at this. Terrible, man. This is how nature can do.
Oh shit!
Wow,
Oh look!
there'll be a road going down, man. Seriously, terrible. Terrible, terrible. Hopefully it's not going to rain today. If it keep on raining, there will be a road can go down to my lane now. Yeah,
Okay, apparently he is actually living in the area.
terrible. All the way down. Look. Yeah. Last night I slept. I thought the whole world is coming down, man. Look at this.
Wow, that's almost to the road.
That's why. Never mess with nature. You can mess with your ex-wife. You can mess with your girlfriend. You can mess with everybody, but don't mess with nature.
That's true.
Nature will
That's
never
true.
fail.
I agree with him.
Wow, look. Look at this. Huh. Terrible. Terrible. Oh man. It look like we're gonna have no telephone, no power for at least a week.
I'm guessing the telephone poles and the electricity cable actually run here. So seems like the whole. Wow, that is just. Wow. I can't believe that actually I ever stand there before. Now it's just gone. Oh, look at that. That's Panataran. If you ever been to Kinabalu Park, then you know.